Hi friends, welcome back to your channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to go to the Bluetooth latency test in the Realme X1 Max device by using the Realme Buds Wireless 2. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to demonstrate on the Realme X1 Max device. As you can see friends, can you test the Realme X1 Max with the Bluetooth latency? So that's what this video is about. So I thought of demonstrating in the Realme X1 Max using Realme wireless buds 2 only while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game. So this is the kind of best way to demonstrate how will be the sound latency as well. And one more quick note, so in the Realme Buds wireless 2 we do have the option of turning on the gaming mode, so which is available in the options, as you can clearly see. Let me to enable that option. So gaming mode is also enabled at this moment, and let me turn off this one. Yes, so LAC is turned off and gaming mode should be turned on, as you can see. So right now I'm trying to use the gaming mode at this moment. And let's see friends what will happen with the in terms of the latency wise as well. Let me select the general. So that's what I did select during this process of demonstration, and I'll try to demonstrate friends playing couple of match, then we'll be able to exactly understand what is overall happening with the sound quality in terms of the Realme Buds Wireless 2 and in terms of the latency as well. So right now, as you can see friends, I did keep the mic near to the Realme Buds Wireless 2 as well, and here I'm trying to play the game. And you will be able to hear the footsteps as well. Let me to increase the volume. Let's see how is the latency gonna be there. With a single bullet I'm going to fire. I think a little bit kind of delay, I would say. Not much, but let me know in the comment section below friends, in case if you're using the Realme X1 Max, did you face any kind of issues with the Bluetooth latency or not while gaming? So let me know in the comment section below. That will be really helpful, not only for me, even for a lot of other users as well. I can definitely do the side-by-side comparison with other smartphones as well regarding the latency test. Right now it seems to be kind of okay, I would say, but I'm trying to use the gaming mode as well during this time of testing. So this is friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to help you out with your doubts. And this is a quick Bluetooth latency test in the Realme X Max. And I'm trying to use the Realme Buds Wireless 2 only during this process of testing for the demonstration and playing the Battlegrounds mobile game. And let me try to disable the gaming mode. Let's see what happens if I try to disable the gaming mode. So the gaming mode is disabled, right, in this moment. Let's see the latency, what is happening. Yes. So maybe if you're trying to use a Bluetooth earphones without any kind of gaming mode support, then you may be able to feel the latency delay. 1 to 3. As you can see, I can count some numbers as well. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. As you can see, it's taking some time. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. This is a quick Bluetooth latency test on the Realme X Max using the Realme Buds Wireless 2. And please let me know in the comment section below, are you facing any kind of issues with this kind of update or any kind of Bluetooth related issues or not. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.